Hi children, how are you my dear children? I hope you all are fine. Yes, I am going to invite you to our science class. Now you are 5th standard. Okay, so we will start bridge codes. So bridge codes means nothing but children what you have learned in 4th standard. Before going learn about the 5th standard syllabus science, just we want to revise about 4th standard. In 4th standard what you have learned, that just we want to remember. It is helpful to understand the concept whatever you are going to learn in 5th standard. That's why. Okay. So now I am going to explain about leaf. Okay, that means we are within the chapter leaf, the food factory of plant. That means just we want to remember about leaf. Already you have learned certain things about leaf. What are the things you have learned means leaves are generally green in color. Why is it so, children? Why instead of green color the leaf can orange color, can be orange color, red color, violet color? Why is it not like that? Because the green color pigment called chlorophyll generally is present, which is present in plant. So that was because of that only leaves are green in color. Okay, because of chlorophyll leaves are green in color. That one point. And the second one, leaves are called kitchen of the plant, children. Kitchen of the plant. Why? Why we are called like that means leaves is a very most important organ, and also it is only responsible to make food. That means it is only responsible for the process of photosynthesis. So we can call leaves are kitchen of the plant. Yes. So the process of photosynthesis where it's occur means on the leaves only. Okay. So the leaves only is going to occur. So we can call like this. Leaves are kitchen of the plant. Okay. What is the first point? Plants, why is it green in color? Because of chlorophyll. So chlorophyll, that green color pigment which is present in leaves. So leaves are green in color. And kitchen of the plant. Leaves are kitchen of the plant. Why is it so? Means there only the photosynthesis process is going to be occur. So through the process of photosynthesis, plant can make food for its growth and development. Okay. So photosynthesis means what? Making food. Why? Food is essential for our growth and development. Okay. The same way even plant also need growth and development. For that food is very essential. So that food is going to be plants, it can make its own food. That process only called photosynthesis. Okay. So that is the reason leaves are called the kitchen of the plant. Okay. So next listen, I have done the drawing here, leaves. Okay. So next see here parts of your leaves. Okay. So parts leaf. If you consider a leaf, what are the parts present in a leaf? Okay. See here I have written midrib. Here this particular portion where from here it is going to start. Okay. So this part we can call it as midrib. Okay. Midrib. Yes children, midrib. And here the leaf blade, the green color, the plant parts of a leaf. So parts of a leaf, first little I am going to explain very detailed. So the leaf blade. Leaf blade, it is also called, I said, lamina. Yes children. So it will be generally the leaf blade very broad and flat children. The shape of the leaf blade, how it will be means very broad. Yes, as well as it will be like flat. Okay, so they are only the making food. The process of photosynthesis takes place, I said. Okay, and I said no, it contains a prominent midrib. Where it will start? The prominent midrib. Yeah, the middle is going to be start. From the prominent midrib, even that vein also is going to be start. Vein. Okay, so it's going to be start. It's going to be yes start. Yes children. So so these are the parts of the leaf. Okay, so and from the midrib arise branches called vein, I have said, and they are different types depending upon the types of edges. Even the leaves, in that we can see different shapes, size and colors also. Okay, we can see the vary in color, in shapes, yes, even in the size also. Okay, so depends upon the plants. The plants, okay, we can see different shapes, size and colors. Yes children. Okay, so next leaf blade, midrib over, vein also over, leaf stalk. The leaf stalk, leaf is attached to the stem by a leaf stalk. Okay, the leaf, the part is particularly leaf part is where it is going to attach it from here. No, so this part is called the leaf stalk. Okay, and stomata. Stomata, leaves we cannot see the children. Okay, we cannot see our own eyes. Okay, if you are going to see with the microscope, you can identify that stomata. Stomata means what? Okay, the small openings on under surface of a leaf we can see. Small opening we can see. Where? On the leaves. Okay, with the help of our eyes we cannot see. Definitely we cannot see. Okay, while seeing with the help of the microscope, we can identify that. We can find out that small pores are present on the leaves. Okay, what is the important? What is the necessity of the stomata means? For exchanging gas. When we are breathing, okay, we are breathing, gaseous exchange takes place in human being also. So like that, even the even plant also, the gaseous exchange should happen. That means plants need carbon dioxide. Yes children, we need oxygen. So like that, even the plant need carbon dioxide. So the gaseous exchange, that means absorbing carbon dioxide and also liberating oxygen. So this process is where it's going to be occur with the help of the stomata. Yes, with the help of the stomata it's going to occur. So they help in exchange of gases. Yes, okay. And the photosynthesis process it's occurred. Once it's occurred, okay, that food it want to transport from different parts of the plant. Yes children, every parts need energy. Yes, no, to its improve, no. So every parts need energy. Okay, so that's why food it want to transport different parts of the plant. You know that what are the different parts of a plant, you know that. So different parts of the plant, what are the different parts of the plant? Leaves, stem, fruits, vegetable, flowers, even root. Okay, so every parts need energy. Yes, as well as every parts need water also. So food and water it's essential. It is common. The requirement of food and water is common for all organisms. Okay, so even plant also water need water and food. So the supply of food from where it's occur? From the leaves to different parts of the plant. It's going to be happen with the help of the tissues. For that specialized tissues present in plant children. For movement of food and water, they have specialized tissue with the help of the xylem and phloem. These are the tissues to transport different parts of the plant. Okay, food and water it want to transport. For that, a xylem tissue and a phloem tissue present in a plant. So with the help of these tissues, food and water it can transport to different parts of the body. It's going to be occur from where the particular place. Yes, children. Okay. So for the preparation in plants, how it's going to be occur? Yes. So once again we can revise the food preparation of food in plants. Okay, preparation of food. So plants make food by the process of photosynthesis. I said, no, children. So photo means what? Photo means nothing but, yeah, what is the meaning of photosynthesis? Photo means, synthesis means what? Photo means light. Yes, photo means light. Synthesis means putting together. Photosynthesis. So photo means light and synthesis means putting together. Photosynthesis. So photosynthesis, light energy, solar energy from sunlight. Okay. So with the help of the light, sunlight, solar energy only can possible the photosynthesis. The making preparation of food it is possible in plant. Okay. So what are the things needed to make food means carbon dioxide, water, sunlight. Okay, in the presence of sunlight only it's going to be happen. When already chlorophyll present in a plant. Okay, so these are the requirement very important for preparation of food. Yes, no, preparation of food. Yes, children. So listen. So for preparing food, these things very important: carbon dioxide, sunlight, chlorophyll, water. So these things very important to make food, children. Okay, so to make food, the leaves need the following things. First one is chlorophyll. Where is present? Chlorophyll already present, naturally present in plant. Okay, from the green color leaves. Green color leaves means definitely which contain chlorophyll, because of the chlorophyll only which is green in color. And water and mineral. Okay, plant it will get water and mineral from the soil. Yes, from the soil through the root it's going to be absorbed the water and soil, and they have already specialized tissues. Through the tissues it's going to be transport to all parts of the plant. Okay, and a carbon dioxide gas from the stomata. I said no, through the gaseous exchange plant it will